YouTube? It's me, your host, Tuna here, your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so I know y'all tired of hearing this, but I'm back. Took a little break. Been really focusing on myself. Mental health matters, people. It really does. So I've been taking this little break from doing content to focus on myself. But I did have the opportunity to do some sneaker content today. So I was like, you know what? Why not? Why not? So I got 2 videos. This is one of 2. I was going to put them together, but I said, you know what? Why do that when I can just make 2 videos? You feel me? Because like I said, it's not like I've been flooding y'all with content lately anyway. And I'm so sorry for the up and down, like being here and not being here and being here and not being here. I apologize for people that actually care. But, sometimes you got to take a mental break. But, yeah, got some sneaker content. I'm actually on my way home now. Traffic is horrible right now. So, once I get home, I'm probably going to upload the video. It's already made. Spoiler alert. Yeah, so, yeah. So, enjoy the video. I will be back after this part, though, so I can give y'all some proper information. I know how I do, so stay tuned for that, and I'll be right back. Okay. You see we got this Jordan box, gray Jordan box, typical Jordan 13 box, red Jumpman in the center. Let's turn this over so you can see the description. Air Jordan 13 Retro, white, black, true red, size 8.5. So you know what that means. Personal pair, no reseller here. All right, let's open it up. Get this paper out the way, unwrap it. Boom, right off back, you just see how vibrant that red is. I love it. All right, put this back in the box like that. All right, close this up. Set these up. All right, and without further ado, let's get this straight, get this up. Oh, here we go. We got the Air Jordan 13 True Red. Boom. Okay. Air Jordan 13 True Red Cherry. Not really. I think it was called a cherry. But anyway, see the hologram bubble right there in green. White nubuck. Is it suede? I want to say suede. Leather. White leather. I think white leather. You see the bottom is based on a panther paw because that's Jordan's favorite animal. Another hologram unit bubble underneath. Jordan right there in black. White laces. Black Jumpman on the tongue. I love this red. The red is, so the white is leather. The red is like, I want to say suede. I could be wrong. I'm going to give y'all some information when I get back home. But yeah, this is a beautiful shoe. I love the color of this red. Like, it's just so vibrant. This is a beautiful shoe. It's plain. It's red and white, but it's nice to look at. Like, it's good. This probably be the thumbnail right here. Yeah, this is just a quick look. I'm not going to get into too many details because I'm about to go home so I can really give y'all details. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed that early review for the Air Jordan 13 Cherry. Sorry if there's an echo in here. I'm in my new place. I'm in my living room. I do like the lighting that I got right now. I don't have to put the flash on because this is a bright light. Not bright where it hurts my eye, but when I used to use the flash for the camera and I'd be looking right into the camera like this, it used to chill my eyes. So definitely liking this. I'm in my new space. Loving it. Might do a video. I might do a apartment video. I don't know. Y'all stay tuned for that. It might be one of those. I'm still adding stuff to the place, so. Anyway, got some information for y'all like I always do. This is off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. Got it right there. You'll read along with me. It'll be up on this side, I'm not too sure. But yeah, it's gonna be up in 3, 2, 1. Boom, it is now up. Air Jordan 13 OG True Red returns March 2026. Official photos of the Air Jordan 13 OG True Red have been added below. The pair is scheduled to release on March 13th, which is this Saturday, if I'm not mistaken, in 4 family sizes. Jordan Brand continues to honor his legacy with the return of the iconic Air Jordan 13 OG True Red. Let me call it cherry. Set to drop in spring 2026. This marks the fourth re-release of the beloved Chicago colorway, first introduced in 1998 and famously worn by Michael Jordan during his final championship run, which was in 1998 when they beat the Utah Jazz in the championship. The Air Jordan 13 True Red Chicago OG 2026 will stay true to its original design. It features a white premium leather upper with bold true red suede wrapping around the base heel and the midsole, a black outsole, black Jumpman logo on the tongue, and a signature green hologram at the heel complete the timeless look. This classic sneaker has been previously released in 2010 and 2017. Both embraced by sneaker enthusiasts and collectors, the upcoming 2026 release promises improved shape accuracy, staying closer to the original 1998 design that fans admired. Expect the Air Jordan 13 OG True Red to release on March 13, 2026. You can find it at selected Jordan Brand retailers and on Nike.com. The retail price will be $210 USD. In conclusion, this iconic sneaker returns for fans old and new. Whether for collecting or everyday style, it brings lasting appeal. Do not miss your chance to own this piece of Jordan Brand history. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, got you. Here goes some more pictures. Let me get this ad out the way. I'm gonna be real with you. It's a cop for me. First of all, Jordan 13s are my third favorite silhouette, third favorite colorway. Next to the Air Jordan 4, no, Air Jordan 10s are my number one, which I know y'all probably never gonna hear people say that, but Air Jordan 10 and the Air Jordan 4s, and then it's the 13s. Like I love He Got Game. The movie with Ray Allen and Jesus Shuttlesworth. I just love the Air Jordan 13. And this colorway, this red is like nice. Like y'all saw it in hand, I had it in hand. The colorway is just very, very vibrant, very, very good red. But this is a cop for me. I like it. It's a cop. I might wait to see if it drop in price, but then you know what? Probably just get it, just to get it. And it's a shoe that I know I would wear. It's red and white, which goes with a lot of different stuff. So I don't see why I wouldn't wear that. It's not like some funky color that I had to put a complete fit with. You can wear this with just basic clothes. You don't have to put together a strong fit. So it's red and white. So anyway, y'all let me know in the comments below, if this is a copy drop for y'all. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, your host Tune, aka favorite sneakerhead. Represent. Got my sign. I used to do Tune's Kicks. I don't even got my sign. I might just keep it right here, like put it right there next to me, like so y'all can really see it right there. Look. Representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.